Hey, it's Tony. Kung ang imong feeling karon stagnant, stuck, or feeling walay progress ang tanan nimong gibuhat, effort, sacrifices, and even feeling gibuhatan nimo tanan para lang mag-succeed sa imong goals, well, this video is for you. Let me share a story. There is a man asked God if kung unsa gid ang purpose niya sa kalibutan. One time, nagdamgo siya and he heard a voice nga iduot ang dako nga bato and believed that's God. On the next day, the man keeps pushing the stone every day for 90 days and not seeing any progress that the stone moved. By that time, kag-give up na kay siya o gisugod na siya question ni God and complains, Lord, bugat ug dako ra kay ang bato para ma-move nako. And the next day, nagdamgo na siya and he heard the voice again. Wala man kumingon to move the stone. Instead, ordered one thing. Just push the stone. You're too focused on your personal goals and missing the bigger picture that happens around you. Look at you now. You improve a lot physically. You're strong. This is only a few things nga wala nimo makita and the result of constantly pushing that stone. So keep going. Bisan asa pa ka nga chapter sa imong life karon, just do your best. Whatever the result, I'm sure there's something good in there. God is cooking the best for you. So let God cook. That's more than a minute. See you sa next video.